These icons right here in red and black, as well as on the mini map right here in green, black, red, and yellow, are field notes. So field notes are a light quality control tool. They're incredibly collaborative and they can be taken directly on site with or without your camera, or behind a computer or on your mobile device, even if you're not on site. So if we're looking at this field note right here, we can see that it covers the basics: a 2D photo, where it is on the floor plan. You can give it a status by priority, alert people that are on this project, associate tags, and so on. On the left toolbar, if I click on field notes, we can see all of the field notes that have been created on this project. And we can go to a specific one. So here we can see that there was a lighting issue. Please check connection and resolve flickering. Field notes can be taken directly while you're capturing, as I mentioned earlier. So if you're on site and you have a camera on top of your head and you're taking a capture, you might need to document an issue or alert someone. You'll simply pull out your mobile device and in the OpenSpace mobile app, press Field Note. You'll then take a photo. If you have time, fill out any of these fields or use voice to text to quickly add in a comment, and then it'll upload right away. So this is great for your QA/QC workflow, and it also integrates with tools like Procore, BIM 360, and PlanGrid. But essentially, it's just a really wonderful way to be able to document all of your issues and host it in OpenSpace. You can create a field note report, maybe for a biweekly subcontractor meeting, and you can just simply filter for what you're looking for, whether it be all of the field notes that you've created on a specific level, all of your field notes with specific tags, and then after you click Request Report, it comes straight to your inbox. So you can take a field note directly on site, or you can also take a field note behind your computer. So this is great for folks in the office who really just want visibility and have questions on specific items. So to take a field note, you can simply press this plus sign top corner, and wherever you select, it will take a field note, take a screenshot, and then you can add in a description, give it a status, due date, attachments. You can even mark it up and swap out your photos. Click Save, and then it'll save right away.